Welcome to online classes. This is second day online teaching. I am K. Venkatadri, lecturer in physics and UKN Government College, Chittoor. First chapter, number system and codes. Objectives: binary number, octal number, hexadecimal number, and binary coded decimal number system and number conversions. I have to discuss about the binary numbers and outcomes of this lesson. At the end of this chapter, the student should be able to differentiate between decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal and BCD. Convert a number between bases. The types of number systems. There are 4 types of number system, that is decimal, binary, hexa, octal number system. Here the decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Therefore, these are the different types of number system. Decimal number system. Decimal number system base is 10. The numbers or symbols is 0 to 9. And binary means 2, that is 0 and 1. Octal 8 numbers. The base is 8. Therefore, the numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And hexadecimal numbers. Base is 16. Numbers or symbols 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. Therefore, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Therefore, 10 indicates as A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, 15 is F. Therefore, up to the hexadecimal number contains as the base is 16. The numbers and symbols is the countable is total 16. Therefore, binary numbers used to represent the following voltage level of a digital circuit. Only 2 voltage levels present in a digital circuit. The logic high and logic low. That is, logic low and high is represented. Low is represented 0. High is represented 1. The high voltage is plus 5 volts and low voltage is 0 volts. Therefore, plus 5 volts is indicates as 1. 0 volt or low voltage is called as 0 volts. The binary numbers represent the logic low as a 0 and the logic high as 1. Therefore, binary number examples. A calculator is an example of a digital system. The decimal numbers are pressed on the keyboard where the input values are converted to binary for processing, then convert the answer into a decimal value before displaying them. The number conversion occurs extensively in a digital circuit. In this chapter, we will learn a number system and codes used in digital circuit. You will also learn how to perform conversion from one number system to another. This is the calculator. Therefore, this is called as output Dalam DC and it is called as process Dalam binary, input Dalam DC. అంటే output it is called as a screen, and it is called as binary system. Innerly you can build it, and input therefore that is called as number. Therefore decimal to binary conversions. Therefore decimal to binary conversions. A decimal number can be converted to binary number by successfully dividing the number by 2 as follows. Therefore 2 divisible by 87 is divisible by 2, the 43, remainder is 1, and this 43 is divided by 2 is equal to 21, the remainder is 1, and 21 is divisible by 2 is equal to 10, the remainder is 1, and 10 is divisible by 2 is equal to 5, the remainder is 0. The 5 is divisible by 2, that is 2 is equal to remainder is 1. The 2 is divisible by 2 is equal to 1, remainder is 0. 1 divisible by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore remainder is 1. Therefore this one is called as LSB, and this is called as MSB. Therefore LSB is equal to least significant bit, and MSB is called as most significant bit. It is called as the, here 1 is called as the, it is called as the MSB, and this one is called as the LSB. Therefore this MSB is called as a leftmost bit. This is called as leftmost bit. This is called as rightmost bit. Therefore one number is called as the 1 bit. The note, the first remainder becomes the most significant bit, MSB. The last remainder becomes the least significant bit. Therefore binary to decimal conversions. A binary number is converted to a decimal number by summing together the weights of the various positions in the binary number, which contains a 1. For example, 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 base 2 is equal to 87 base 10. Base 10 indicate as the decimal number, base 2 indicate as binary number. Therefore binary number consists as only 0 and 1, and by decimal number is consist as up to 0 to 9 numbers. Therefore here MSB, therefore MSB is equal to most binary digit, and LSB is equal to least significant bit. Therefore this is called as binary number. That is, you can, for example, 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. Therefore the binary number is converted to decimal number. Therefore the powers of the binary number is equal to the least, the starting from the most right, that is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is equal to 2 power 0 2 power 1 2 power 2 2 cube 2 power 4 2 power 5 and 2 power 6. Therefore 2 power 6 is equal to 64, and then plus 2 power 5 is equal to 2 power 5 into 0 0. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. 2 power 3 is equal to 0. 2 power 2 square is equal to 4, and 2 power 1 is equal to 2. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore the value of this 16 plus 64 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 87. This is called as the 87. This is called as binary number. Therefore decimal number. the binary number is converted to decimal number. This is the process. Next, decimal number to octal conversions. Octal. A decimal number can be converted to an octal number by successfully dividing by 8 as follows. 266 divisible by 8, the remainder is 33, is equal to 33, the remainder is 2, and 33 is divisible by 8 is equal to 4, remainder is 1. 4 is divided by 8 is equal to 0, remainder is 4, that is equal to, decimal number is 266 base 10 is equal to 412 base 8. It is called as the octal decimal number. Therefore, octal to decimal number. To convert an octal number to a decimal number, multiplying each octal value by the weight of the digit and sum the results. For example, 412 base 8 is equal to 266 base 10. Therefore, MSD. Therefore, 412 is equal to the basis of 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. Therefore, octal conversions, because of octal it means as it contains as 8 values, therefore 0 to 7 numbers. That's why the base is equal to 8. 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 square. Therefore 4 into 8 square is equal to 56. 1 into 8 power 1 is equal to 8. 2 into 8 power 0 is equal to 2. Therefore the total number is 266 base 10. This is called as the decimal number. Therefore, this is called as the octal number. 412 base 8 is equal to octal number. 266 base 10 is equal to decimal number. Therefore, octal to binary conversions. Each octal digit can be represented by a 3-bit binary number as shown below. Therefore, octal digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This octal number indicates as the 3-bit number. Therefore, 3-bit number is indicated as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. These numbers is called as the octal binary number. Therefore, e octal numbers is octal digits is converted to binary number. Thank you.